Alright, today we're going to be installing the Sensi Equipment Interface Module, or EIM. So the one that I got actually came in a kit with the Sensi Touch 2 thermostat. So let me see if I can't find the SKU number here for you. SKU number SK20B. So I've got my wire to my heating and air unit right here, and then I've got my wire to my thermostat and the wire to my outdoor unit. So I'm going to go ahead and get those wired up right here. I'll go ahead and take off this cover. Alright, now that I got the cover off here, you can see I'm going to have my AC input, my 24 volts C and R. This will be my R and C coming from my HVAC equipment. I don't have any accessories I'm putting on here right now. They would go right here though. The rest of my wires from my thermostat right here are going to be going to the system. My thermostat wire itself will be going to R and C. My outdoor unit will just be tying into my system one right here. So I'll go ahead and get all these wires on and let you see what it looks like. Alright, I got the equipment wired in, and I got the this is a future use wire. I got it tucked back here for now. We'll use that later when we add an accessory on here. And then I got my thermostat to my RNC. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'll power on this unit now. I've got everything already wired down in here, color coded exactly how I did the other one. So what this is going to do is talk wirelessly to the Sensi Touch 2 thermostat. So we'll go ahead and power everything up, and then I'll show you the Sensi Touch 2. Now that we have the Sensi Touch 2 thermostat powered up, we're going to go ahead and go to the menu. We're going to go to Advanced Setup, EIM. This one's already selected. Signal strength says good. So everything looks good on it. And then I'll go ahead and just do the setup. It is a 2-stage gas unit, AC2. Date and time. I'm not going to worry about setting that yet because when I connect it to the Wi-Fi, it'll automatically set it for me. So that is the setup on it. Let's see. We'll start it up. It's as easy as that.